Hello, I'm Matt McClure with Walhonde Tools. We design and build the latest technology in tube and pipe alignment clamps. Today I'm going to demonstrate the top liner alignment clamp used on pipe from 4-inch to 48-inch in diameter. Here I have a spool that's set up and is held together by Walhonde top liner clamps. Our clamps can fit a pipe to pipe or a pipe to 90. And the way the clamp works is it's like a clamshell. We go on your pipe on either side of the weld, flip up, put your eye bolts in place, tighten them down, and when you tighten them down, it forces the pipe into a round configuration. It takes all the ovality out and gives you a nice round pipe to fit up. Works great on schedule 10 and on schedule 5, and it'll even round out schedule 40 on your larger sizes. We'll take this out of the way for now. And move over to the pipe to 90. This is your turnbuckle. It pushes and pulls. It's like a big push-pull dog. You can tighten it up or you can push it apart. Right now this gap needs to be tightened up. So if you work these turnbuckles together, you can see it gives you a tremendous mechanical advantage over your joint. Close up this other side here. I see we've gone a little bit too far, so I'll just back that off a little bit. Put in on the top. Get it in the ballpark. All right, now let's tackle the axle alignment. These jack bolts or screws, they push in the direction they point. So I want to push this pipe down to line up with this. So I'll put the wrench on it, turn it, and I can fit it right under the turnbuckle. Same thing on this side. Turn that and fit it right up. And then you can go back to your axle alignment. Just tighten that up a little bit. Loosen the bottom a little bit. It looks fairly good right there, but see our ovality or our high-lows off again. So we back that off just a little bit. It's off over here. All right, I want to push this down a little bit more. Right there. And fit up the joint. Gives you complete and total control over your joint, axle alignment, your gap, and your ovality. And that's how quick and how precise you can fit pipe with a Walhonde top liner.